Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to post multiple Facebook groups at once. So basically if you go to Google and Google extensions, you will see different ways on how to do this, but some of those are not legit. So I'm going to show you this method. You need to use your mobile phone and then go to your Play Store if you're using Android, App Store if you're using iPhone, and you need to search this Meta Business Suite. Okay, so you have to search this one, click the second result. Okay, install this, wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing. Now, once done, what you're going to do is you need to open this application. And of course, you need to simply log in your Facebook page account or your account in order for you to proceed. So this is what it looks like. So I need to log in my account first and then get started. Here you can invite friends or you can skip this part by tapping this X at the top right corner and then select that Facebook page that you want to use or account that you want to use. And then after that, what you're going to do is you have to click this create post. So since our tutorial is all about post to multiple Facebook groups at once, so what you're going to do is you have to enter that caption or added picture, for example, this one. And then what you're going to do is you have to click this arrow facing down beside your Facebook page name. Now choose the Facebook group's name. So as you can see, choose up to this three groups. But if you want to post more, I think you need to upgrade or you need to update your plan in order for you to post more. So as you can see, here it is. And if you look at the above, I am now or I'm about to post this not just in my page, but to other Facebook groups. And then after that, click done. And then you can now post this. And this will appear not just on your Facebook page or your wall, but also to those Facebook groups that you have selected. As easy as that. So basically, that's how to post multiple Facebook groups at once. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.